everybody, welcome to Friday's literacy lesson. Let's start by doing our key vocabulary. My turn. Friend. Your turn. My turn. Help. Your turn. Well done. We are thinking about friends. We are thinking about how you can be a good friend. And we looked at these pictures yesterday. There were pictures of Mr. Lancaster. Have a think, what was Mr. Lancaster doing to be a good friend? What was Mrs. Oram doing to be a good friend to Teddy? Yes, she was hugging Teddy. Mr. Lancaster was being helpful. He was tidying up for Miss West. He was being a good friend. Mr. Lancaster and Mr. Gardner are being good friends because they were having a chat. And the dinner staff were being a good friend to Miss West. She was being kind because she was giving Miss West some food, some pudding. Yummy. Today our sentence, we're going to read this sentence and then we're going to write this sentence. There's some words in this sentence that we can't sound out, we just need to know. But we'll read the sentence and I will help you. Please get your pointy finger and please point to A. A good friend is kind. That's right, a good friend is kind. Let's read it one more time. A good friend is kind. Well done. Now it's our turn to write this sentence. Let's see how many words in our sentence today. A good friend is kind. Oh, we have 5 words in our sentence today. A good friend is kind. Please show me 5 fingers. Let's say our words on our fingers. A good friend is kind. And again, a good friend is kind. We must repeat our sentence over and over again. That will help us when we write. Let's clap. A good friend is kind. And again, a good friend is kind. Let's tap our heads. A good friend is kind. And our shoulders. A good friend is kind. And our knees. A good friend is kind. Please get your 5 fingers and have a think. What was the first word in our sentence? Oh, that's right. A. A good friend is kind. A. We know A. A is in our keyword book, but we should be writing the capital A, which isn't in our keyword book, and I'm going to show you what the capital A looks like. And have a look. I'm starting on the left. We always start on the left. A. Oh, I love how I'm writing on the line. Now I must remember my double finger space. Can you show me yours? That's right. And I put my double finger space here so I can write my word over here. Let's see, what was the second word in our sentence? A. That's right. Good. Now, good. We haven't learnt the oo digraph yet, but I'm going to write good for you. Double finger space. Good. D. Good. Now we must remember to reread our work. A good, double finger space, friend. Now friend is a tricky word. You can't really sound this one out. We just need to know how to write it. I will write it first. Friend. Let's reread. A good friend. I must remember my double finger space. Let's see what the next word is. A good friend is. We know is. It's in our keyword book. Easy peasy. Let's reread. A good friend is. A good friend is. That's right. Kind. I must remember my double finger space. Looks like I'm running out of room though. I wonder if I can make this line just a little bit longer because I must remember always to write on the line. Kind. we've been writing kind lots, so you might be able to remember how to write kind now. And I must not forget my full stop. Just a little one. Children, if you run out of room at the end of your line, you should have more lines underneath. That's okay. If you run out of room, just move the whole word down to the next line. Let's reread our sentence. A good friend is kind. Children, I'm going to draw a little finger here because I am happy that I remembered my double finger spaces. I'm going to draw my capital A because I'm happy that I remembered my capital letter at the start of the sentence. I'm also going to draw a little I because I'm happy that I went back to reread my work after writing every word. And finally, I'm going to do my full stop. I'm happy that I remembered my full stop at the end of my sentence. Children, what you can do now is you can have a go at writing our sentence today, remembering all of these things. If you would like to write that sentence, you can. Maybe you just want to practice one word in this sentence. Maybe your keyword is. Or if you would like to write this sentence and more sentences, you can do that too. That would be really good. If you feel like you can do this without looking at the screen, you can have a go. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.